Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see CS50 Shirtificate. It is actually the last program of our problem set of CS50, and yeah, so basically what they have said here is we are going to create a file called as Shirtificate.py which will implement a program such that it should create an A4 sheet, a PDF basically, which is having CS50 certificate as a header and also a t-shirt, and that t-shirt should hold a name, and then it should write as took CS50. So this is a output, like output should be like this. For that we need to first get the input from the user for getting the name of the user, and we are going to do this with the help of fpdpf as said by CS50 course itself. We can use these hints. We are going to install pip fpdps2, and they have also given us the program pre-built functions. Where can we get the pre-built functions? With the help of this particular web page, and this is the web page. We can easily get all the functions here in this particular website. So they have also given what should be the orientation of the page, the format, and the top should be CS50 as a text, and the shirt should be an image, and it should have a username with the help of white color text. Okay, so let us try to write this program. So this program is basically about just one thing, which is nothing but a rebuilt function called as fpdpf, and we are going to import this particular function and override its init function in the class. So for getting the image, we are going to copy this particular wget for the image and run in our terminal. Yeah, we have got the image also of the shirt. Okay, so this is the shirt which we are going to print. Yeah, let us start writing the code. So as said, we are going to write from fpdf import fpdf, basically fpdf. Okay, so after this I need to ask the user their name, right? So name is equal to input name. I am asking the user their particular name. After that I am going to create a class which should override this particular fpdf file. Okay, so I am creating a class called as pdf, and this particular class we will have an init function which will override all our properties. Okay, so init. So what are the parameters? One thing is self, and then the name of the person who is going to take this CS50 course. So this is my init function here. So before proceeding, after getting the input, we should create an object for this particular class. So pdf is equal to pdf of the name which we are going to pass as the user, and then I am going to save this particular PDF with the help of save function which we are going to write in future, and that should be saved as certificate.png, sorry, PDF. Okay, so we have done our basic workups. Now we are going to use all the built-in functions available for us in this particular page which they have themselves given for our program to work. Okay, so here we can just write self dot underscore pdf should be equal to, it should be a function which is nothing but fpdf, as we already know. Because of that only we have imported it. Okay, so we are just creating a child for this fpdf so that we can use it for, in our own ways. Okay, so first we need to create a page for our pdf. So for creating a page, here if you can see, we can just write this particular thing, self dot underscore. I am just adding a page. In that particular page, first I need the font. I'm going to set the font of this particular thing. Maybe I'll copy the same thing and paste here, self dot underscore pdf. Okay, I am setting the font also. After this, we are going to make a CS50 certificate in the cell, right? For that we need this particular cell. Yeah, if you can see, here is my cell. So here I can get some detailed cell pattern. So I think I can use this particular detailed cell pattern so that it will be useful for us, because we need to align the cell to center and all. So I'm copying this particular thing and pasting here. So I'm just prefixing with cell dot underscore for everything for our particular program. So here what should I write? I should write as CS50 certificate. I'm just copy pasting because I don't want any error to occur. Okay, so I have also written this particular cell. After this, we are so our text part is completed. Now we are going to import our image. So let us try to import image with the help of the code here. So self.image basically. Okay, so dot image is the function. So I think we can just write it. Self dot underscore pdf dot image. So what is the image we are going to get? It is nothing but certificate.png. And also I should write the borders like for this image, width should be equal to self dot pdf dot epws, like it should be accommodated with the help of this certificate program. So that is what we are mentioning here. After that, we can set the font size and set the font color. So what is the program for setting the font size? Set font size. So maybe something with the help of size we need. You can just see it. Control F. Maybe I am finding the size in this particular program. Okay, so let us just write set font size. PDF dot size can be equal to 30 and the color should be text color should be white basically, which is nothing but 255 comma 255 comma 255. So I have set this one. Then at last we need to have the text. which we are going to write. So anything for text you can see here. Okay. So we can just write text. I think it will work. So here for text writing, texting the images, have they given anything else? Okay, these are for margins. Yeah, we can write self dot underscore pdf dot text. So what is the text? I'm here in the set text. I am going to print the text which is going to be printed on the shirt with the help of x-axis and y-axis. And here x and y-axis values which I am going to give is actually done by the trial and error method. So you can directly use these numbers if you want. And then the text to be printed should be txt, and it is coming with the name which is customized, right? So we are going to use the format of inside of name variable where we are passing the function, and then took CS50. Yeah, so this is how the format is going to be. Yeah, done. And now we have made pdf.save. So we are going to initialize another function called as save for this pdf save. And here if you can see, the save button is going to have a parameter called certificate.pdf. So what I am doing here is inside the parameter self as usual, and then pdf name. So this is going to be nothing but the certificate.pdf. So whatever output I am getting from this init function, I am going to output it with the help of the pdf. Okay, self.pdf dot output. What is the output? Output inside this I am going to give it as pdf name. And yeah, that's it. I think it should work. So before running the program, we need to make the PIP install. So I'm doing this one. So yeah, we have installed the PIP here. After this, let us run Python Shirtificate.py. Sorry, Python spelling is wrong. The name I'll give Shravanti. And yeah, in our workspace we got the PDF file, CS50 certificate, Shravanti took CS50. I guess everything is fine. Let us just try to check with the check CS50 and then submit the program. Yeah, everything is fine and we can submit the program. See you in the project video, and I'm not going to give you the actual project. I'm just going to explain you what is that project. And that's it for today, guys. Bye bye.